Hey, let me talk to you real quick about tray ceilings. If you're going to be painting your own star ceiling freehand, or you're going to use a do-it-yourself kit or have somebody paint it for you, think about doing the sides of the tray, whether they're slanted or they come down vertically. They are perfect areas to paint. If they come down more than 6 or 8 inches and you're able to see it, then these are great areas in addition to the ceiling, and I strongly suggest painting those, because when you do, it just expands the star mural and it looks like your night sky is just so much bigger. And customers have told me that it looks like it's huge up there. So definitely consider the sides if you have a tray. Again, whether you're painting yourself, doing a do-it-yourself kit, or having somebody come in, the sides are great additions.